Come on kids, pile in the back.
Don't get this on camera, Chris. Bring it in the wall.
I don't think anyone will report us.
I go forward.
Oh, this is actually not too bad. Alright guys, sit back. Should we do this all the time? Another day on Arran. Now today is a very special day because it is Jamie's, the big man, 30th birthday. Woo, woo, woo. So, plans for the day, we are going out in a bit iffy weather, but we're going to go sea kayaking. So hopefully some people will fall in. Maybe I'll push someone in. It's got to be done for the vlog. Anyway, taking the camera into the water isn't really feasible, so I'm probably going to try and record things on my phone. So hopefully that goes okay. Alright, so here we are on our kayaks. We've probably been rowing for about an hour now. The water is absolutely amazing, like super glassy, and the weather in general is just pretty lovely. So we rode along the shore for a little bit and we've just crossed the channel here to the Holy Island, which is an island used for Buddhist retreats. So apparently there's some pretty interesting wildlife, but we're going to head over and check out a cave. Go check it out. Anton, lead the way. Right, Anton, just imagine you're on an episode of MTV My Crib.
Yeah, so, guys, thanks for checking my, welcome to my crib. Can we retake that?
Okay, yeah, go again.
Hey, you guys, so excited for you to see my crib. So come on, let's go and see it. So, I hope you like the decor that I did. It's quite homely.
Don't keep it American.
Place to rest your head after a long day kayaking. So
Where do you rest your head?
It's pretty cool.
Oh wow.
You got a few words for the camera, birthday boy?
I do have a few words actually. I'd like to say I like the seals, thought they're great. I like the kayaking, thought that was nice. Thought Lizzie's been on good behaviour this time round. We'll see how that.
Would you agree, Liz?
I have been on very good behaviour, I must say, my best.
Yeah, she's really making an effort because it's my birthday, not to be annoying or
I'm actually
stinky.
And welcome.
Tonight's
This evening's
occasion I thought served a special occasion, so opted, after permission from the bill pair, to go for the Arran gin, the local speciality, and thought it'd be a nice refreshing thing for the scenery. Great to see some rosemary and some grapefruit being served with it. Cheers!
I thought tonight was a special occasion, and so after requesting from the bill plate,
I know what you're
saying that the bill pay. I didn't know what.
Happy birthday to you. Got on camera as well.
Oh, well done, Len.
Oh. Alright, so today is our last full day in Arran, but we are planning on taking full advantage of it despite being a little hungover. So at the moment we're walking to Glen Rosa, where there's a series of pools that we can swim in, and the scenery here is absolutely amazing. Well, sadly that brings an end to this mini vlog series. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly learnt a lot about the video process, not just filming but also editing and music selection, and a whole bunch more. For anyone that's thinking about visiting Arran, I would definitely recommend it. There's actually a ton to do for such a small, not overly developed island, and we had an absolutely amazing time with our week there. The plans for the future include some mountain biking and skiing videos, and then vlogging my trip to Southeast Asia next year. If you've got any feedback at all, I'd love to see it in the comments, but apart from that, there's not much left to say other than thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.
No!